Okay, guys, in your group, you should see a post or also some materials, hopefully. Um, I'm not sure if it shows the same format as if me, since I'm kind of the owner of the post. But basically, I sent two of your constructions that you need for your last part of your packet for your first check. These items, these things, these keystrokes you're going to need to be doing for your project for the Euler line. So I'm going to, Euler line, excuse me. I'm going to go to the perpendicular bisector and open it up, and hopefully you see the same thing when you open it up. It gives you the directions, which icons, what things to do. You're going to use the polygon tool, and you'll be able to, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, you'll be able to do it here in the applet. Or you can do it in a whole new page if you want to have more space, because you only have this space to construct it. And so if you want to open a new one, you can do it that way. But when you click it, remember I told you when we pick a tool or pick a option, in this gray bar down here in the bottom, it tells you what to do to make that action happen. So to select all vertices and click to the first vertex. So we are going to make that triangle, and I'm going to have to guesstimate here. So it's 2, 3. Then we're going to 6, 13, and then 14, 3. 14, yeah, about right here. And then go back to the beginning. Now, I know our points that we have here are whole numbers, and they're not here over here on the left side of our list of what we did. So you can double click on that, and it turns black, and you can change it. So if I want to get my exact points, I'm just going to delete that. I think that's a decimal. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I want to make this a 3, so I'm going to delete all these decimals here, hit enter, and it'll now put it in that coordinate. So we need 2, 3. I put 7, 11. Which was wrong. That needs to be 6. And then we need 13. So hit my enter. And then 14, 3. So let's fix this last one. Just so it's exact, so you can fill in your information in your packet. I think that should be a comma. I think that's a decimal now. That's a comma. And then that should be 3. And we're going to delete everything else but the back. Close comma. So, all right. So there is our. We can close this little gray bar here. So they want us to use the intersection tool, this tool right here, to construct the perpendicular bisector. We're going to click here. We're going to see. It says down here at the bottom, it says swipe 2 points or 1 segment. So I'm just going to click right here. It kind of off. It's not highlighted. Now it got real bold. I'm going to click that. There's my perpendicular bisector. I'm going to click it to the other side. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. And now use the point tool to construct the intersection of the 3 perpendicular bisectors and record its coordinates on your worksheet. So I'm going to this tool. Here is intersection. Select 2 objects or click directly on intersection. So oops, let me go back to where I was. There it is. So, and it starts highlighting where I want to find that intersection. There it is right there. And there is my point. Now, it named the intersection point 3, but we need the coordinate. And what I wanted you to recognize is over here is a running tab, if I can get out of this, sorry, of what we've done. So if I just scroll down, there's my D, and it says my intersection is at 8.58 and 5.3. Okay, and that's because my points, if you notice here, my points A have changed. So let's see what happens if I change those coordinates again. So we had 2, and I believe it was 3, and I have a decimal here that I need to get rid of, and then I wanted this one. Oh, it's not letting me change it. Sorry about that, guys. I think it works if you are in the applet, so I apologize for that. But also we want us to do our little segment tool. That's this tool right here to construct a segment from the circumcenter to the vertices. So I'm just going to go here, draw a line there, there, from the center to the vertices there. And then you have some questions down here. Is it possible for the triangle circumcenter to lie outside the triangle? If so, what? circumcenter would this occur with? So if you use your arrow, you can start moving items. Oh, there's that circumcenter. It's outside the triangle there. It's looks like on it and out. So you can move more than one vertex to see how that affects the circumcenter. So you have some questions down here to answer. But really, I need you to get used to practicing making constructions on a coordinate background or without, because I'm going to go through some steps to help you with your Euler line. Thanks for taking care of this.